Yeah, as long as you don't light something on fire, we should be good here. Just gently heat it.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's a rad performance job.
Performance job.
Oh yeah, pull that son of a gun out real quick.
Being such a little biatch.
Hello lads, Rad Performance here, and today I'm going to do a video on the breakaways. We are putting breakaways, at least new ones, or overhauling the current breakaways. Basically, at this point you might be asking, why the hell do you keep saying breakaway, and what is a breakaway? So the breakaway, brake lever, and clutch lever is basically whenever you fall or wreck the bike or whatever you're doing, basically your lever is going to hit into a tree or on the ground. This lever allows it to move in whatever way it wants to go. So that way it doesn't either crush your fingers or snap the lever entirely off and then you're stranded in the middle of the woods with no brake or clutch lever, because that probably wouldn't go over very well. So we're going to show you guys. Obviously this thing is incredibly corroded because it's been sitting outside, so we take it all apart and then we show you how to put new springs and overhaul it Rad Performance style. Make sure, if you aren't already, subscribe to the channel. We got more to come on this bike when we finally hit the trails with it and record some content on that. And we also got a lot of car projects coming your way. Corvettes, Camaros, whole lot of stuff, guys. So you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed. Yes, indeed. This brake hardware kit is made out of brake hardware kit rebuild. Okay. Alrighty, lads. So we have to remove this little thingamabobber. We remove this so that we can remove that, which is the internal sleeve, which we'll show you on our new parts. So I'm just going to take off set bolt. And this thing's going to be rusty as all heck, so of course we're going to heat it and slap it with a hammer. Alright, let's hit her. Whack that.
Oh wait, these just popped up.
Oh wow, that's counterintuitive. That's pretty hype. Or counterproductive, but also like actually productive because we kind of got what we wanted. Yeah, wow, that's awesome. Don't you love it whenever things just actually kind of work out like that? That's pretty wild.
There you go.
Wow, did not see that one coming.
All right,
we'll take that win.
We'll take that.
So old sleeve, old half shaft sleeves, thingamabobbers, old spring, new half shaft,
okay.
Thingamabobbers.
I think I know how it goes.
Yeah, no, we're locked. I don't think there's a bearing. No, I think it's just a machined surface. I don't think
it's a bearing.
Holy crap! That is some high performance, rad performance. A light clean to maintain our bearings.
Real.
Allow me to get my bearings on the matter and real. So turns out we didn't have to take that out with the big flathead, so we're gonna put that back. Cool. All right, let's do it.
Okay, let's just. I don't want to put pressure on this. You know.
Yeah, no, we don't want to ruin the brake lever. Do we think it's tapped? Like with threads in there?
I mean, it's got it, right?
I mean, we could always hit it up and heat it with a hammer. I mean, heat it up with propane and hit it with a hammer. Pro tip, wire brush your threads, and hopefully it'll help it come out. Now we're gonna heat this sucker. I mean, we could burn our hands heating it up, but that'd probably be fine. I don't see a problem with this. It kind of sounded like it spun.
I think it's kind of sound like fucking stripped.
Oh. Yep, chat, we're cooked.
Should it work?
Oh my god. No way.
It actually worked.
Oh my god.
I don't think it was gonna work.
That's actually hype. The wire brush method, I am telling you, always works.
Oh, wait. Never mind.
Oh.
I think it moved a little bit. But now
we can jam nut it. I don't know if that's what. Yeah, we could jam nut it. Oh yeah. Step on it.
You're coming off today, you dirty slut. I want to say that turned.
Did it turn? That easy?
Let's see. If that's where that is right now.
Without heat? No way. Crazy. I mean, if it's working, it's working.
Lucky.
Ooh, I peeped that little red handle. Right, right. Are we trolling? Can we troll much harder? Bro, not next like KTM. Oh, GG. That was good, actually. But bro's not kidding. Really is a bomb.
It literally is a bomb.
Wow, that's wild.
Milwaukee torque lock.
Milwaukee
Ah,
torque lock. Kill switch.
this is true.
All right, we're doing this low and slow. Alrighty, lads. So low and slow wins for the mellow yellow. We just did about 40,000 clicks and turns and clicks and turns and clicks and turns. But if you look at it, these threads are flippin' mint. All right, let's start rebuilding this thing. We could even reuse that if we want to. It's like the brake stop, the ABS. That's our like middle finger. Like we just go like bloop 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 until we're at a dead stop. That's so real. Oh my god, dude, look at that thing. That is freaking mint.
Brand new hardware. That's why we took it
Oh
off.
my god, China hardware. What is this? $10?
It's genuine ASV.
Oh my god, on Amazon?
No, I bought it right off the website.
Oh,
It was
dude.
$10 and like $5 for shipping. So
How am I supposed to put this as an Amazon affiliate link? Okay, no wait, hold on. Walmart totally sells this. There will be a link right there somewhere. Buy it now. You totally need this. Your dirt bike would be so much cooler if you had this, wouldn't it?
Exactly. Rebuild kit.
Rebuild kit. Think about it. You don't have to break your handlebar or your brake lever whenever you crash into a tree. Isn't that crazy?
Why does nothing ever fit?
Real.
Like, why?
Oh. They're
They
out.
found us. So nothing is fitting.
Doesn't fit.
So where
I
did this
know
come
what's
from?
wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.
Oh, it came from here. Wait, no, it didn't. Paul, are you screwing these up?
Bro, I didn't even actually take any out, I don't think. I just used them once they were already
High
out.
performance.
And then I wrapped some tape around it. Called it a day. And I was like, wow, my tape idea that usually works didn't work. Probably because I don't have electrical tape. But,
All right, this is not working.
okay. We're cooked, chat. Dude, look at that.
I don't know
That's
if
actually
that's
plenty.
meant.
Ah,
It wasn't
GG.
done.
We're cooked, chat. Alrighty, guys. Time to get this. GG. Do you want me to hold that in like place?
There you go. Oh wait.
Oh, wow.
I'm an idiot. I need to put the spring on first.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that would help. Real.
Oh wait. Oh, levers after, right?
Yeah, wait, hold on. So levers after, one spring has to go up there, and then I feel like this long one should go inside of the, well, actually, yeah, get those things in, and then let's see if it has the right spring tension for what we're trying to do here. And then, yeah, if it goes down, it gets
Should
sprung
bring it around.
back, right? Probably, maybe. I think so.
That seems right.
Yeah, this will be the fun part.
Oof, that
Yeah, it's
really
gonna hurt a
put it on
lot.
backwards.
Oh, that would help, yeah, if we didn't do that. GG.
That also hurt again.
Yeah, real. I can try putting a flathead. Oh, you can do that. That's probably a good idea. That's the approved method. Oh, man.
A nut. A bolt.
Oh my gosh. When in doubt, wiggle it out. That's pretty hype. Yeah, just like, yeah, I guess kind of nice. Oh my god.
Wow.
We're locked.
Wow.
So locked. That's crazy.
Wow, that feels great.
Oh my god. That's crazy locking.
Wow.
Is this like good for, oh, that's actually mint adjustment. Okay.
We'll
Wow.
bring it in a little bit, but it's kind of good.
Yeah.
Dude, that is-
Do we tilt this thing up? Do we like undo him and like,
Low key.
I think
yeah.
we have to. And then wait, hold on. If we tilt this up, then it'll be
Okay.
pressed against him, and then he can't fly off, right?
Wait.
Or is this zip tie for this?
Oh yeah, this is off now.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
garbage.
Yeah. So let's just adjust it. We're gonna make sure to install this nice Install the locking washer. You guys don't have to make this crazy tight. It won't come out because it has a nylon lock in it. And we're cooked. Yeah, no, this is hype. All right, let's
This is
restore
nice.
this.
This feels much nicer.
Oh my god, that's so hot.
It was crunchy as hell before. I was like, that doesn't
Yeah,
seem right,
look
and,
at that.
and then it snapped.
Oh, that's so mint, dude.
Yeah, that feel that.
Restored.
Feel it.
Alrighty, guys. Now that's a prime restoration. Look at that. Those fire internals. Perfectly adjusted for braking. Perfectly adjusted for clutching.
Clutch engagement.
Oh, yeah. Mint. Nice little restoration before we move on. Before we move on to the next part of the restoration.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything?